Alright, this is my proposal for the 3D design. What I did here was a shrine, but I didn't really follow my references all that well, but I wanted to make my own interpretation anyway, so there's that. For right now, I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of this just for a second to get a better look at the shrine itself. This will probably be the piece that I experiment with. I'm gonna backspace that to get that back. Now I'm gonna get rid of that. This door was very tricky right here. It was very difficult to get that working, but I think it turned out pretty well. Might edit it though, because you don't really see gated doors at shrines anyway, so. But yeah, that's my proposal for my little shrine here.